process.
You shouldn't be so attached to things. Why are they doing that to the teeth?
What is that?
Oh, what? Oh, it's a leg or an arm. Okay.
Oh, boy.
Okay. I'm just not used to piercings. It's not.
It's out of piercing the whole.
Yeah, it's the belly button piercing. Yeah.
Oh boy. Sorry.
Oh, boss! Wow.
I just blanked into what happened. I get it.
Why are you shaving a balloon like that? This is very strange. Okay, is that a real ear?
I think it does.
It looks kind of real.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, the cleaning.
Cleansing foam. All right. Be careful not to get it in the ear hole.
Actually, I think
Because it's hard to get out afterwards. Ugh.
Oh, it's against
too. That is not real. That was not real. Don't
it's
worry.
not real,
No,
but
no.
I think they just show us how it works, right? But if it works like so, it's kind of,
This is making me extremely uncomfortable, this whole video. Wow. Wow. Okay, we got some earrings, piercing thread. Wow. Why do you... It's in. It's good.
To clean it. It kind of makes sense to... Okay.
Oh, buddy. Poor guy. All right.
Okay.
Maybe it's exfoliating, I guess.
What?
Exfoliating, like you know, get the dead skin off and stuff.
Maybe. It kind of makes sense.
I mean, it's just an electric toothbrush, yeah? Cool.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, electric one.
It's pretty good. I've never actually used an electric one. I just like the original, you know?
Oh, well, you love old...
I like old school stuff, yeah. I still ride my dinosaur to work.
Oh boy. You need to try.
I still watch VHS tapes. Do you know what those are?
No.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
Have you ever heard of 8-track players? Oh, on those.
Too old.
Yeah.
If you know it, write it.
Okay, woo. A booger.
Little pickles, right? Yeah.
Oh, that was so bad.
But I mean, what's the purpose of this? They didn't show it, right?
Shock value. That's it.
How would you use this thing?
Amazing.
Maybe for the rings, you know, like.
Yeah, you could hold your rings on it, I guess. You could scare the crap out of your friends.
Shit.
Okay.
Another thing.
More
It's
feet,
a
more toes.
mystery.
How can you tell it's a 5-minute craft video? Feet and toes.
Mystic.
Okay. Nice. What are we gonna make out of this though? I don't know. Maybe like a table with legs?
It's just to get a mold, you know.
That poor girl broke both of her legs.
The gypsum need to keep the shape of it.
Yeah.
So.
Ooh. That looks like it would. Whoa.
Okay.
Ugh. How is it back together again?
What?
They put it back together again.
Yeah, they just, they disconnect it.
Oh, and then they reattach it. Oh, okay. I don't know how these things work.
Some tape, yeah.
I was never part of the Gibson crew on 5-minute crafts. No idea.
No, it's gonna make sense. If you will leave this silicone itself, it will not work well. So you need the shape, the
Okay. I've heard charcoal is good for your teeth.
Yep.
I've had a charcoal toothpaste once or twice. I'm hip.
I saw.
I'm cool with the times. I know what you youngsters are up to on your skateboards in my front yard. Get off my front yard!
Where's my charcoals?
Okay, so we got this.
Just destroyed. They made it and to destroy it.
What's
the point? Yeah. Okay.
I mean,
that's good work. Yeah.
because it's not about the destination; it's about the process.
Mm-hmm.
So like, if you spend a lot of time creating art and then you destroy it afterwards, isn't it beautiful just the fact that you did it?
For me, it's always disappointing.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. It's
But at least you took a video of it.
If you have a video,
Then it's different.
yeah, it's excuse for everything.
It reminds me, there's this guy who makes like clay pots and stuff.
Yep.
And he'll like after a class, he'll go around smash all the clay pots in the class. And it's like, why would you do that? But at the same time,
Yep.
it's okay. It's about the process. It's about the process.
Oh, process.
You shouldn't be so attached to things. Why are they doing that to the teeth? You can be attached to your teeth. That's okay.
Wait, I'm.
Ah!
What?
Why did you put that in your mouth afterwards? No, it looks so uncomfortable.
It's
Lady.
a bad grills.
Bad grills, bad grills.
Yeah.
Okay, why are you doing this to the poor mannequin head? What did it do to you? Okay.
What?
It looks kind of creepy. A little creepy happening here right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some scary movie happened
Ugh.
right in front of us. Okay. Oh, now they get this.
Now it's a mask. Time to rob a bank. No, don't do that.
Yeah,
So they're gonna make a cement mold of the face.
Okay. Statue.
It looks kind of disformed a little bit. Like it looks like the wrong shape a little bit.
Yeah, but we'll give them the chance. See, not
Ooh.
that bad.
She got a big noggin.
Yeah.
She's smart. Do you know back in the day, the scientists? Interesting. Okay, so they're holding hands. Dippity dip.
So to make
I don't know. To make
couple memorable.
I don't know. They just want to remember how it felt to hold hands once. So when they both break up, they can be like, I used to be able to hold hands with someone. I don't know. I'm just imagining what's going through their minds.
Yeah.
What happens when they break up? Who gets it? Like, do they have to like disconnect their hands afterwards, and like each one gets their own hand back?
You know, Flint, you're too complicated person. Sometimes you can just throw.
I don't know.
How are they gonna do?
I mean, maybe they
gotta
could,
know.
I don't know. Okay, fine.
No.
I just, it's important to me to take all things into consideration. I'm just a rationalist.
Yeah, I like the way you think.
That's very kind of you.
It's kind of nice.
How very charitable.
If they have own car, if they bought the car for two of them, they just
They stick it on the front of the car. Oh yeah, it reminds me of like, you know, old wooden ships had like the mermaid at the front.
Yeah.
They could do like their own bodies holding hands together at the front. That'd be cute. And then they'd like be pirates together. Now I see what you mean about how I think. Interesting. All right. So what are they? We're having a square now. Is this a square extra finger hand? Where are we going here? Sorry, not square. It's a rectangle, of course, but it's a base.
It's a base.
Congeal. Congeal's kind of a gross word. Think about it. Brain was how intelligent you were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not true, right?
No, not true. No. You know, the larger the size of your brain, the more energy it takes up, and the more calories it burns in your body. To think,
and you have more space inside your brain.
Yeah, exactly.
Between your brain and
when I go like this, it's like knocking against my head. Ooh.
What a disgusting thing. Oh, this is
for the makeup sponges.
Okay.
I like it. That's cool. Yeah.
Okay, foot stamp for. It was a glue gun, right?
Ooh. I like how it's bubbling right now. I don't know why that's so satisfying.
Because it's very hot, I guess.
The colors are also very satisfying. The foot part is kind of weird, but why? What? You can't get in though. You can't get the back. You can't get the molars.
Oh, wait a second. She just.
Oh, and now she's cleaning with it. Yeah. Okay. I guess it would be a nice loofah.
Okay. Loofah.
A loofah. Now we got a banana.
Banana.
Banana
and cement. Oh, did we watch it? I feel like we watched it.
I think it was before. So we got this banana.
Okay. Excuse me, for what is this?
I don't really to hold your bananas, of course.
The holder of bananas.
You just have to have a banana holder sometimes.
Yeah. And always for
it's a lamp. Okay, got it. Ooh, weird.
She
can
gonna
breathe?
She's gonna cover herself leg. Yes, and
it's like those movies where they have to put on a lot of makeup, so they have to breathe somehow.
Yeah,
it's good, it's smart. As long as oh wow.
I would feel uncomfortable with all this action.
Me
even
too.
if I have the tube, for breathing.
Me too, because what if someone grabs the top of the tube and then you're like, ah! You know, nothing you can do.
Yeah.
Have you ever done a video like that?
No,
No? Okay.
nothing. Yeah, did I put it on my face?
Yeah.
It's it's for the man. This is.
Ooh, yeah. It looks like a electronic device attached to it. Whoop.
Excuse me.
Ooh.
Excuse.
That's so
okay.
weird.
It's definitely a piece of art.
Yeah, it's
but
art. Yeah.
Questionable as well.
Extremely questionable.